Welcome to part 2 of the dotMatrix tutorial. We're going to go over song mode. The song button is located in the lower left hand corner of the screen. You can toggle to it just by pressing the button. You can have a pattern chain that is up to 32 measures long. It's not active until the sequence on is pressed on the lower part of the screen. It's next to the transport, next to the pattern name. You can see I'm turning it on and off. Turn it on. When you turn it on, you can see that a green box flashes next to the song pattern that is currently playing. So like right now it's playing pattern 1, now 2, now 3, and now it's going to loop back to 0. And you can see in between the previous and the next buttons that the bar is also changing to whichever bar it's currently on. Now it's on 0, now it's on 1, now it's on 2. When each pattern is played, you can actually change the matrix as it plays through. One is currently on the pattern, just to quickly vary, 4 measures, so you don't have a complete static beat. Make things more interesting. You can also do this in the parameter section. So if you select an instrument, you can do it on the line graph. And now I'm going to select the green one. And let's select parameter and change it like the reverb. There you go. You can see that as each pattern plays, it switches the parameter section. So it just has reverb on that one note. I just turned it off again. You can see it stops playing the sequence. It just stays on whatever pattern it's on. Turn it back on. You can see that the green box is now flashing again, and it's playing more stuff. Okay. Now I'm going to record a sequence. That is a WAV file, so you could import it back into your digital audio workstation. I'm going to just scroll down to dotMatrix folder, and then I already have a file in there called test song. I'm going to overwrite it. So it records the loop. So it starts at the end of the loop, records through the loop, and then stops. And when it's done recording, it just stops, and it's written that file as a CD quality WAV file onto your SD card, wherever you've chosen it, however you've named it. So here I'm going to do something weird. I'm going to load it right back in as a new sample. So I'm going to load the test song that I just made as a sample back into that first pattern, pattern number 0. And you'll see that it's kind of hissy sounding. There's just a limitation of the camera audio. It's not because of the fidelity of the beatbox. But now I have that whole loop playing as one track in the beatbox, which is cool. So now I can do different things to it, like affect it even more, like change the velocity for different parts of the loop, or put some effects on, like reverb or delay. And now I'm going to unsolo it and bring back in everything else. And you can hear it's pretty wild. Now, just for another thing, just to layer in the intricacy, I'm going to turn back on the sequence. So now this is just one measure of the greater 4-measure sequence. You'll hear how intricate things can quickly get here on the dotMatrix. Right? Well, I hope you guys enjoy working on this as much as I do. I want to hear some great beats coming out from everybody. And thanks for watching. I'll see you.